Hey friends, these days ransomware attacks have become quite common. Now, if you encounter a ransomware attack on your Windows computer, here's what all you have to do. First of all, you have to deal with the situation accordingly because they already have your data. There's not much you can do about it. But for future, first of all, search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. Now scroll down and there's a protocol called SMB1. Uncheck it and uncheck all of the options below it. Click on OK and it will fix the problem for you temporarily. It will fix the problem for you mostly because this protocol has been replaced, and this is one of the reasons that ransomware is able to attack your system. And then click on restart now. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for options. The next solution is to run a malware scan. How would you run a malware scan? Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. Select scan options, select full scan, and finally click on scan now. The next solution is to run a disk cleanup. Okay. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these options here, especially temporary files, and click on OK and then delete files. Why? Because there will be a lot of temporary files associated with the ransomware which will remain on your system. So you need to remove them as well. And last is a cloud reset. Okay. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Recovery, click on Reset PC, select Remove Everything, and finally select the option for Cloud Reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.